This is how we evaluate deals. So we went to go look at a house. They said that you can buy this house for $350. You could potentially sell it for $580,000. And the work, that's where we got to figure out how much work does it need.
It needed about $150,000 worth of work based on what our contractor said he came out with us. So based on that, the number of the asking price was too hard because you got to price in closing costs, hard money if you're going to use it, renovation costs. And then we like to be pretty conservative, make sure we list it to get a bidding war, not listed, The guy was giving us comps of like 570. We thought it was more like 535.
We're not looking to list it above market value. We're looking to price it right. A nicely finished product priced right should sell for more money every single time. You have to know your numbers. We brought the contractor with us this time to look at it. We kind of go off those similar numbers, and listen, you could do the deal, but for the time that you would stay in the deal, and by the time you get out of the deal, and the carrying costs of borrowing money, just didn't seem worth it to me. Any final thoughts on buying, renovating, flipping?
I think that I heard this a long time ago, and things I hear stick with me, and it was you make money when you buy real estate, not when you sell it. So you got to go into the deal making sure you're not going to lose money and you're going to make money.
Buy it right.